We've got an accident there.
I've got it coming over now.
The latest on the M25. It's
Oh yeah.
on that westbound
You're not
side.
viewing it though.
Traffic all the way past Newport to St Mellons.
I'm trying to avoid people's number plates.
It's across country, I think.
No, it's not.
What is it?
Southeastern.
No, it's not.
It's
It's
southeastern.
Southwestern. No, it's Southwestern Railway. That's a different one. Not seen that one before.
Southeastern were the
No,
ones
it's
we used to.
Southwestern Railway. We're in the southwest here. It's a different one.
Yeah, it's still a 158, same as the other one.
Different livery though.
Yep,
That is not a livery I recognise at all.
it's an old one. It's quite a long cars as well.
Why aren't you doing it the other way around? You always tell me off for doing it that way.
It's the only way it worked when at the time I catched it. I have to take some number plates out though.
There you go. You're a bit far away, love.
I know. But it's going to be cool to catch it coming in actually. That's what I was thinking. I don't know when it's going to be in.
Depends on which way it could be in the station right now.
I don't think it is, because last time it was coming in, here it comes. Yeah, I got it. I was waiting to see it, see if I can see it. There it goes. I can't see it completely, but I can see the top of it. The javelin one through the side of this card. It's a big train as well, it's still coming in.
I know, I see that.
Is it all right yet?
Yeah, it's all of it.
Kilmarsh, we've got an accident there.
I've got it coming over now.
Towards Welford.
Yeah.
The latest on the M25, it's slow, but it's not too bad. We've had worse. So first of all, clockwise, from 10 the A3, it is slow going around to 17.
It's only a little dinky one.
Yeah, there's only 3 cars.
Once you get past 22, it's heavy going
Could
to
be one of the
25.
Newcastle ones.
Anti-clockwise, it's kind of 90.
it's
Although the one from this guy earlier was huge
and
for
it's heavy around
Newcastle.
to 11 at Chertsey. There's
I got it.
Ready, steady, go. Shame you can't get this side at the same time, it's brilliant.
Yeah, I want to catch this side because this is where a lot of it is. I'll wait until we just go past this bit because there's another train in there.
In here,
Yeah, there's 166 units. I used to have one of those units.